In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online. If you've ever recorded a duplicate payment or accidentally applied a payment to the wrong customer, this quick walkthrough will help you remove it safely and keep your records clean. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a payment permanently removes that transaction from your books. That means it will affect customer balances, open invoices, and any reports that included that payment. If you're unsure, take a quick export or consult your accountant first. Once you're signed in, head to the left-hand navigation and click Sales. This opens the sales area where all your customer transactions live. From here, choose Customers. You'll see a list of all your customers along with their balances and recent activity. This is the best place to delete a payment because you can focus on the specific customer and see how the payment affected their account. Select the customer whose payment you want to delete. That opens their profile, showing a timeline of their invoices, payments, credits, and other transactions. Look through the list and locate the payment you want to remove. If you have many entries, check the dates and amounts to make sure you're targeting the correct payment. Accuracy matters here because deleting the wrong item can throw off your records. When you found the payment, look for the small caret or drop-down arrow on that payment line. Click it to reveal more options. Choose Delete. QuickBooks may ask you to confirm the deletion. Go ahead and confirm if you're certain. After you confirm, the payment will be removed, and QuickBooks will immediately update the customer's balance. Any invoice that was marked paid by that payment will return to an open or partially paid status, depending on how the payment was applied. A couple of helpful tips as you wrap up. If your company is reconciling bank accounts, remember that removing a recorded payment could affect your reconciliation if that payment was included. It's smart to double-check your reconciliations and reports afterward. Also, if you deleted the payment by mistake, the audit log can help you review what changed and when, so you have a record of the action. And if you prefer not to fully remove a transaction, consider whether voiding or unapplying might be a better fit for your workflow. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Sales, open Customers, pick the right customer, click the caret on the payment, and select Delete. Thanks for watching, and keep your books tidy by reviewing changes after you make them.